Induction cooking is changing the way we cook in the kitchen. We have a fast-paced life and it is speeding us up, it is making it extremely safe, and well, it's quite impressive, isn't it? So what I'm going to do is boil some eggs today. Now you'll notice it is boiling like a trooper. Now that only took 2 minutes to come up, and the reason for that is there is an electromagnetic field in the surface here, and it will only heat with a pan that has a magnetic base, and that means that it is extremely quick. All that energy from the base goes straight into the pan to heat everything very, very quickly. Perfect if you're busy. What it also means is that everything else around here remains cool, meaning it's extremely safe. Also, we don't have the gas hob, so we've actually saved on a lot of space, so perfect for a nice modern kitchen. So I'm just going to wait for my eggs to boil, and you'll see how easy it is to use induction cooking.